In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge databases in Notion step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If you're working with multiple databases and want to combine them into one clean, organized system, this method is simple, safe, and works with Notion's built-in features. This is especially useful if you've duplicated databases, created separate trackers, or want all your data living in one place. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the database that contains the entries you want to move. This will be your source database. Make sure the database is fully loaded so you can see all the rows or cards you want to merge. You can do this in table view, board view, or any other view you prefer, as long as you can select the items. Next, select the entries you want to move. You can click and drag to select multiple rows, or you can hold down Control or Command on your keyboard and click individual items. If you want to move everything from this database, you can use the Select All option at the top of the database. Take a moment here to double-check that you've selected only the items you want to merge, because these are the items that will be moved to the new database. Once your items are selected, look for the three-dot menu. This is usually located either at the top of the database or next to the selected items, depending on your view. Click on the three dots to open the Options menu. From this menu, choose the option called Move To. This tells Notion that you want to move the selected items somewhere else. After clicking Move To, Notion will show you a list of pages and databases. From here, click on the database you want to merge these items into. This will be your destination database. Make sure you choose the correct database, especially if you have multiple databases with similar names. Now click directly on the destination database. Notion will automatically move the selected items from the original database into the new one. At this point, the items are officially merged into the destination database, but we're not done just yet. Once the items have been moved, open the destination database so you can review everything. Select the newly added items again if you need to move or organize them further. This is a good time to check property alignment, such as tags, dates, or status fields, and make sure everything matches the structure of the destination database. If some properties don't exist, Notion may create new ones automatically, so review and clean things up as needed. If you have more databases to merge, simply repeat the same steps for each one. Go to the database, select the items, click the three dots, choose Move To, and select the same destination database. Over time, this allows you to consolidate all your data into one unified system. And that's it. You've successfully merged databases in Notion using a simple and reliable method. This approach keeps your data intact and gives you full control over how everything is organized. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials, tips, and workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.